Good morning, one and all. I think everything is going good in this pandemic condition. Today, our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. Here, pair means two, linear equation means an equation having its highest degree or a degree 1, highest power or a degree 1. Here, two variables we are using. Two variables are x and y we are using. Going to this, the standard form of linear equations is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation. Here for example, 3x plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. Here x and y are the variables. Here a value is 3 and b value is 2, c value is 5. Here ab is not equals to 0. Here, these are the conditions while doing linear equations. And here the power is degree is 1. As I said before, degree is 1 are the highest power. Here the degree is 1. Okay. So this is a linear equation. In this chapter we are taking linear equation two variables. Pair of linear equations. Pair means two equations we have to take and solve the problems. There are three methods in this. The three methods are substitution methods, elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. These are the three methods what we have for linear equations, for algebraic expressions to solve the linear equation in two variables. For example, if we first we have to take substitution method. For example, I will take one equation. These are the two equations what I have to take in equation 1 and equation 2. These two equations we will substitution method. For example, in substitution method, 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. This is first question. For example, I am taking this 5y equals to 0. This is the second equation what I have taken. For example, for substitution method, take one equation. Take x as the subject here. So x value is minus 4y plus 5 by 3. Here this is the x value what we got. This x value you have to substitute in second value. So 2 fours 8y plus 2 fives 10 by 3. Here you have to take LCM part. LCM is 3. Here 1 and 1. 3 fours 12y. 3 fives 50 equals to 0. 0 into 3 is 0. Next 8y and 12y is minus 8 plus 12. 4y minus 5 equals to 0. 4y equals to 5. Y equals to 5 by 4. This is the y value. While doing this sum, this y value should be substituted in any one of the equation. You will get the x value. 3x plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. 3x plus 4, y value what we got? 5 by 4 minus 5 equals to 0. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 3x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 0. 3x plus 5 and minus 5 is 0. So 3x equals to 0. X equals to 0 by 3 equals to 0. What is the x value we got here? X equals to 0 we got here, and y is equals to 5 by 4. While doing the same taking the same equations, doing another method also we will get the same x value and same y value. For example, I will take elimination method now. For same equations, I am taking elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method is nothing but eliminating any one of the variable. Eliminating one of the variable. Here 4 plus 4 plus 4. So plus 4 plus 4 means these two, if it is interchange the signs, then it gets cancelled. So 3x, 2x, 1x, minus 5 and plus 5 is 0. So x equals to 0. See guys, here x is equals to 0, here x equals to 0. What we understand from this? Any equations as we take in linear equation. Okay, as we observe here, x is the same in while doing the substitution method or elimination method, x we got 0. This is the best, I think this is the best method to do elimination method and simplest form. Here x is equals to 0, substitute in any one of the equation. 0 plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. 0 plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. 4y equals to minus 5, that means minus 5 is goes, that means plus 5. So y equals to 5 by 4. As we got before that only. So y is equals to 5 by 4. What we have observed here means if we take any two equations while doing substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method, any method what we have done, it is in the same form. Same answers we will get. Not same form, same answers we will get as we observed here. That's all guys.